In this video, we are going to look at the 3 things you will need to get amazing weight loss results, and it is not doing 2 hours of cardio or starving yourself half to death. I'm Cara Lee, and on this channel we dive deep into all related health and fitness questions. We look at the best strategies and tactics for massive weight loss results. We help you get unstuck, and we support you throughout your journey. So let's get right into the 3 things you will need to get amazing weight loss results. Number 1, you're going to need a strategic plan of action to follow day in and day out. If you have the right strategy, this can save you many years of pain and uncertainty, as well as yo-yo dieting, which is absolutely not the way to go. This is the area where most people spend all of their time to start the process of losing weight. They want to find a strategy, and that's why they will go to Google or YouTube and they will find the latest diet trends or the magic pill that can make them lose weight overnight. The ironic thing is that even though the internet is filled with the best strategies and tactics to lose the weight, most people will still get it wrong. A lot of people don't realize that the free diet plan that they downloaded from the internet is not a one-size-fits-all option. Unfortunately, with that free meal plan, your body might not be responding too well with that diet plan. You might be using a free workout program that is actually designed and targeted for someone that's been in the gym for many years. The results of this might be that you can injure yourself and you can have serious repercussions. You might end up hurting yourself because the intensity or the level of difficulty is just too much for you. If you are looking to get a strategic plan of action for your weight loss goals, I would recommend that you work with a coach one-on-one, someone who will be able to create you a customized meal plan as well as a customized exercise program tailored around your needs, your situations, and your injuries, taking into consideration any food allergies, intolerances, maybe any injuries that's going to prohibit you from doing any specific exercises. The second thing you're going to need to get massive weight loss results is you're going to have to be surrounded by a community of like-minded people. What do I mean by a community? A community would be a group of people who are also on the same journey as you in the process of losing weight. The purpose around a community would be to have accountability, motivation, inspiration, as well as support. An example of an active community would be something in today's digital age, a Facebook group or otherwise a YouTube community tab. That's where you're going to find like-minded people who are on exactly the same journey as you, or maybe even a little bit further than what you are currently. The reason you want to be part of a community like that is because the people are in the community are most probably a few steps ahead of you. They've been experiencing the same challenges, the same type of situations, and the same type of things that's been popping up, making it really difficult for them to get the results that they desire. That's why the community is there, to support each other and to keep each other accountable for what needs to get done. The community is also there for you to not only celebrate wins but also breakthroughs. And that's why collectively we can uphold each other. That's why collectively we can keep each other accountable but also celebrate all of our wins. This ultimately leads a support system for every single person in that group, so that on the days when you need it most, you've got a community of people around you, even if it's digitally, who will be able to help you and support you through whatever you might be going through. The reason why we want to do a community is because the tide rises together and make a difference as all of us are on the same journey. Another form of community might be people all around you in your own backyard, your friends, your family, and your community, your neighbor, even next door. We all know that a weight loss journey is already difficult in itself. You're going to have challenges and setbacks that's going to pop up on the most ridiculous times when you least expect it. So having a community around you is there to support you, uplift you, and keep you accountable for what needs to be done on a daily basis. Unfortunately, with all the clients I have worked with, I have seen too often that the family and friends right in your own backyard is not as supportive as you would like to. That's why online support is so critical for someone who do not have the support at home. So just remember, even if you've got support at home, that's absolutely wonderful. But the digital support is also there for you to get extra accountability and motivation and inspiration if that's what you need. I also want to mention, part of the community philosophy is not only will you get support when you need it most, but the most important thing is that you give support to someone else that might need it as well. So keep that in mind when you become part of a community. It's not just take, it's also giving. And that's why we support each other and we contribute in the community as well to help others who need it most. But before we go on to number 3, if this is your first time here, give this video a thumbs up. You can subscribe if you find this information very valuable. And hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when I upload the next video. And number 3, the last thing you're going to need for massive weight loss results is the right psychology. Another word for this is mindset. In all the years that I've been working with so many different women from every walk of life, I have noticed that psychology or mindset is the number one thing that they all ignore. That seems to be the biggest reason why people don't get results. Make no mistake, if you don't have the right strategy or if you don't have the support system that you need, it's definitely going to affect your results. Usually when someone is stuck in their weight loss journey, it is because they have some other underlying problem that they're not paying attention to. Otherwise, they've got unconscious, self-sabotaging habits which they're also not aware of. And this is where mindset comes in. If you become aware of these little vices that's holding you back, it's going to make a huge difference in your results. I have seen often where women struggle with their weight loss journey, and it's usually because they keep telling themselves they will never be able to lose the weight. If you keep repeating that type of mantra or that belief to yourself that you will never be able to lose the weight, then that is going to hold you back. And it's going to consciously or unconsciously, you're going to start doing self-sabotaging things which you will not be aware of. So you need to really start paying attention to what you keep telling yourselves. Our biggest self-limiting belief is the feeling of unworthiness. The feeling that you feel that you are absolutely not worth being in a healthy, fit body. The fact that you believe that you don't have the ability to lose the weight and to do what needs to be done on a daily basis. The fact that you do not believe that you have the capabilities of committing and pushing through the hard and the difficult days. The biggest gift you can give yourself is to start noticing these little things that are holding you back. Because the sooner you start tackling those things, the sooner your results will start showing up as well. And when someone has the right strategy or strategic plan of action and they've got a community of like-minded people, this often changes your mindset and your psychology because you've been raised to believe certain things. And the moment you start surrounding yourself with other people who are on the same journey as you, very often your mindset and your psychology will start to change to someone that is healthy, fit, and vibrant. So I hope these 3 things were helpful to you. I know for a fact if you implement these 3 things, you're going to get amazing results, but you need to focus on each individual thing. So if you are on your weight loss journey and you need an extra boost, you're more than welcome to follow me on all socials, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, and let's connect. And if you've got any questions for me, simply pop me a DM and I'm going to get back to you. And maybe the next video might be just because of your topic. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.